Good morning kabayan. Nandito tayo ngayon sa Grand Park Place Village na Nabu Imus, Cavite para i-feature yung property na to and we're selling it at 11 million. Meron ito kabayan na lot area na 150 square meters and floor area na 195 square meters. This is a brand new unit kabayan. Kung makikita nyo, this is a modern design house. Tara kabayan, tingnan natin. So ito kabayan, yung ating 2 carport. Yan yung ating gate. And this will be our pedestrian gate kabayan. Yung ating gate, makikita nyo naman painted na with gate light and house number. So pasok tayo kabayan. Sa pagpasok natin, meron tayong inside garden. So pwede natin ito, pag nakalipat tayo kabayan, pwede natin palagyan, no? Kung kayo mga plantito, plantita. And ito yung ating carport. And since this is a single unit kabayan, malaki yung ating space sa gilid. So upon turnover, pwede natin ito palagyan ng bubong. Yan. And makikita nyo kabayan, sa bandang dulo, meron tayong may kulay blue kayo nakikita. This is our water tank with 700 liters capacity. And dito naman sa side dito kabayan, this is our area provision for a washing machine and dryer. And this will be our service area. At yung pintong ito kabayan, ito yung ating pinto going to the kitchen. And pagpunta naman natin dito kabayan sa kabilang side ay yung ating naman kabayan, yung ating lanay area. So makikita nyo kabayan yung community natin, pakita namin dito sa may likod. Ito yung ating community dito in Grand Park Place Village. Tara kabayan, pasukin naman natin yung ating pinakaloob na unit. So kabayan, this is located in Grand Park Place Village na Nabu Imus, Cavite. So makikita nyo yung Grand Park Place Village is lang talaga ito, along Aguinaldo Highway kabayan. So pagpasok natin kabayan sa ating bahay, this will be our main door and this is a solid wood kabayan yung ating main door. Ayan kabayan yung actual unit turnover natin dito. Yung tiles natin kabayan, this is a 60 by 60 imported tiles kabayan. Makita nyo sa taas, yan yung ating ceiling kabayan. So this will be our living area and dining area and kitchen area. So before we go to the kitchen area kabayan, ito yung sinasabi ko kanina, the ating lanay area. Sliding door with screen door yan kabayan. Ayan, para at least pwede natin buksan at yung mga small, yung mga insects kabayan hindi makapasok dito sa loob. So ito yung ating kitchen area. This is our stainless pull-out rack. Our overhead fitted cabinet, fitted cabinets kabayan. Meron tayong drawer, no, fitted under cabinet. Tapos yung ating fitted kitchen sink, kabayan, high quality. Yung pakita natin yung ating kitchen sink. Ayan, yung ating kitchen sink, high quality yung ating kitchen sink. And ito kabayan yung pinakita ko kanina sa inyo. Yung pinto, yung ating pinto dito sa service area ay solid wood din kabayan. So ito kabayan, so pag tingnan natin dito, ito yung ating service area and our laundry area. Yan kabayan, dito naman sa kanan, kung may kasama tayong mga elderly or meron tayong staff na kasama sa bahay, yan, ito yung pwede sa kanila. Yan. And ito kabayan ay merong shared toilet and bath, no, dito sa ground floor kabayan. So ito yung toilet and bath kabayan. Yan. So ito ay shared toilet and bath kabayan. Yan. Kaya dalawa pong pinto yan kabayan. Yan. So recap tayo kabayan, this unit is selling at 11 million and with the lot area of 150 square meters and floor area of 195 square meters. May 2 carport to kabayan with 700 liters capacity of water, water tank, may provision for laundry area, meron tayong lanay area, may living area, dining area, kitchen area. Meron tayong 1 bedroom and yung ating toilet and bath ay shared toilet and bath doon sa ground floor na 1 bedroom. Tara, pasukin naman natin. Akitin naman din natin ang second floor kabayan. So ito yung ating steps. This is a wooden steps and ito yung ating handrails kabayan. And so makikita nyo kabayan, medyo maliwanag kasi yung ating gumamit tayong mga glass panel for the free flow of light. So dito kabayan sa ating second floor, we have 3 bedrooms and 2 toilet and bath. Yung ating bedroom number 1 and bedroom number 2 kabayan ay shared toilet and bath. So pwede namin muna sa inyo ating bedroom number 1. Yan. So ito yung bedroom number 1 kabayan. Yan. So, pakita natin yung tiles. So, makita nyo, iba yung tiles natin. Sa baba kasi ang ginamit natin doon is 60 by 60 imported tiles. No, dito sa second floor, ang ginamit natin dito is wood planks. Yan. So, dito kabayan sa ating bedroom number 1 with provision for window type aircon, yung ating vanity area, at ating modular cabinet na ang height ng cabinet natin kabayan, makikita nyo is from floor to ceiling. Ayun kabayan. So, this is included na kabayan upon turnover. At yung pinto natin kabayan, yan yung ating toilet and bath. So, yung toilet and bath natin kabayan is shared toilet and bath between bedroom number 1 and bedroom number 2. So, yan kabayan ating toilet and bath, high quality bathroom fixtures with shower enclosure. Yan. Tara kabayan, pasukin natin bedroom number 2. So, ito kabayan naman yung ating bedroom number 2. And this will be our vanity area. Yan, dito naman yung ating provision for window type aircon. Ito yung ating modular cabinets na ang height nito kabayan is from floor to ceiling. And ito yung ating toilet and bath na shared between bedroom number 2. Yan. So, pasukin naman natin kabayan ating bedroom number 3 or we can call it our master's bedroom kabayan. So, ito yung ating master's bedroom. So, ang pinagkaiba lang nito kabayan sa yung master's bedroom, doon sa ating bedroom 1 and 2, number 1 is yung ating provision for aircon. Sa bedroom 1 and 2 is window type. Dito naman ay split type aircon. And meron tong access sa ating balconies. Meron din tong vanity area kabayan. And ito yung ating modular cabinets na kasama na kabayan upon turnover. And meron to kabayan sariling toilet and bath. So, ayun, makikita nyo kabayan yung ating toilet and bath. Yan, yung ating toilet and bath kabayan, kung makikita nyo, parang hotel type toilet and bath natin. Nakita nyo kabayan, very quality talaga yung ginamit nating bathroom pictures dito. And meron tong sariling bathtub. Ayun kabayan, tingnan naman natin yung ating balcony area. Yan, ito yung ating balcony area kabayan para makita nyo yung ating community dito sa Grand Park Place Village. Ayun kabayan, so makikita nyo, hindi naman mahigpit dito pagdating sa pagpapagawa ng bahay. So kailangan lang ng mga necessary permits. Kung wala, sa baba, magpapalagay tayo ng bubong para magkaroon ng enclosure yung ating laundry area. So possible naman siya as long as lang tayo dun sa necessary permits na kailangan dito sa Grand Park Place Village. Yan kabayan. So kung interested kayo kabayan sa property na to, feel free to inquire, mag-message kayo sa amin para ma-assist namin kayo. So this is selling kabayan at 11 million. The lot area is 150 square meters. The floor area is 195 square meters. Ready for occupancy. Kung makita nyo kabayan, brand new unit. And yung ating turnover kabayan, masasabi natin very quality. Kung gusto nyo makita, ma-appreciate, feel free to inquire, mag-message kayo sa amin para ma-assist namin kayo. By the way kabayan, this is Ed Federico, your real estate broker. Thank you!